Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your AirPods Max to any smart TV. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Smart TV, so the instructions might vary slightly depending on what smart TV you have. But the most important thing for any smart TV is to make sure it has Bluetooth and to open the Bluetooth settings page. Now for this particular Samsung, all I have to do is go into settings and then select all settings, and then go to connection, and then go to Bluetooth devices. Now, like I said, it might be different if you have a different non-Samsung smart TV. But currently for me, as you can see, more importantly is that my TV is scanning for Bluetooth devices. So what you need to do for your TV to be able to discover and pair with your AirPods Max is to put the AirPods Max in Bluetooth pairing mode. So what you need to do is long press on the noise cancelling button, and you want to long press on that button until the light here starts blinking. So as you can see, the light is blinking, and that means the AirPods are in Bluetooth pairing mode. And actually my TV, as you can see, has already detected my AirPods Max. So all I have to do is select the AirPods Max for pairing and then confirm I want to pair and connect, and that should connect the TV. You can see it says connected, and now I can come here and close my Bluetooth settings. So you can see even the volume indicator is showing the AirPods Max. So that is basically how to connect your AirPods Max to any smart TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.